In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a listing on Zillow desktop. If you've been hunting for a refresh button to bump your listing to the top, here's the key thing to know. Zillow doesn't offer a manual refresh on the public site. What appears on Zillow is powered by the data feed it receives from the original source of your listing, which is typically the MLS or Zillow Rental Manager. That means the listing's freshness on the public page comes from updates that flow in automatically, not from a button you can click. So, what can you do when you want your listing to show the most accurate, up-to-date information? The straightforward path is to use Zillow Rental Manager. Start by signing in to your Zillow Rental Manager account on desktop. Once you're in, locate the listing you want to update and open it. Here, you can edit key details like your price, photos, and description. Make your changes carefully and intentionally. For example, if you adjust the price, make sure it reflects your latest strategy and local market activity. If you reorder or replace photos, lead with your strongest image and ensure the first few pictures clearly showcase the home's best features. And when you revise the description, keep it clear, specific, and accurate so renters or buyers quickly understand what makes the property stand out. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Zillow typically updates the public listing within a few hours. Sometimes it's quicker. Sometimes it may take a bit longer depending on system traffic and the data feed. If you don't see the updates right away on the public page, don't worry. That delay is normal as the changes propagate. A couple of practical reminders as you work. Edits in Zillow Rental Manager are meant to keep your listing accurate and appealing, not to game the search order. Zillow's ranking and newness indicators are driven by its own systems and the listing's data source. Keep your content transparent and compliant with local rules and fair housing guidelines. Focus on clarity, great photos, and a price that matches the market to get the best results. To recap, there's no manual refresh button on Zillow's public site. The reliable way to show fresh information is to sign in to Zillow Rental Manager, open your listing, update fields like price, photos, and description, and save. Then give it a little time for those updates to appear on Zillow. That's the clean, effective way to keep your listing current on desktop.